I had one data that was about used car sales analytics, and I thought to use that and create something interesting. So, because I got fed up to use same colors, same formatting, and same everything lots of time. Like since I've started the journey of Power BI, I've been using same color. So here we have. So I thought to use a different color this time. Okay, so here we have one. For example, we have filters slicer. When we select slicer, we get to see that in the bottom we have given a feature so that we can see whatever we have selected, it will be visible there. And apart from that, we have switch options. So for example, switch to offers, switch to offers, and switch to sales. And then when we click on sales, we can sales by year and vehicle, same with offers also. So that's it.